Hello gamers, in this video I'll walk you through the simple steps to connect the weight controller to your Xbox 360. Whether you are jumping back into some classics or just prefer the reliability of a weight setup, I've got you covered. Weight controls are great for zero lag gameplay, no battery worries, and instant plug and play action, perfect for those intense gaming sessions when you don't want any interruptions. First, make sure you have the right gear. An official Xbox 360 weight controller, and Xbox 360 console, of course, a working USB port on your console. Now, power on your Xbox 360 console. Take the USB end of your weight controller and plug it into one of the front USB ports on your Xbox 360 console. Wait a few seconds. The green light around the center button of the controller should light up, indicating it's connected. If you see the player 1 quadrant light up, you are all set. If your controller isn't connecting, here are a few quick fixes. Make sure the USB port isn't dusty or damaged. Try a different USB port. The first one doesn't work. Restart your console and try reconnecting. Check the cable for any signs of damage or wear. Once connected, test the buttons, triggers, and sticks to make sure everything is responsive. If you are still having issues, consider updating your console firmware or trying a different controller. And that's it. You are ready to jump into your favorite games with a reliable, no lag weight connection. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tips.